Removal. Step 1. Prepping for removal. Begin by ensuring the ignition is switched off. Set the steering to straight ahead. Disconnect the battery. Use a lifting platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Raise the vehicle. Removal. Step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 3. Removing the air line. Unplug the electrical connector from the air spring solenoid. Remove the air line from the air spring solenoid. Push the collar in to release and pull the air line out. Remove the retaining clip from the solenoid. Then twist out the solenoid. Removal. Step 4. Removing the rear shock assembly. Loosen and remove the top 3 mounting nuts. Loosen and remove the bottom mounting nut and bolt. Remove the air shock from the vehicle. Removal. Step 5. Removing the air spring. Note the alignment of the air spring and shock before disassembling. Please refer to the diagram in the owner's manual for more details. Remove the top retaining bolt from the shock. Turn the assembly upside down and using a flathead screwdriver, depress the securing tabs to dislodge the piston from its position. Remove the shock from the air spring assembly. Pull the retainer pins holding the upper mount to the air spring top and pry the mount off. Install. Step 1. Installing the new air spring. Remove all the old O-rings, then replace with new O-rings. Install the bumper, replace the washer and rubber spacer, lubricate the O-rings. Install the top mount onto the air spring. Firmly seat them together and replace the top mount retainer pins. Install the new air spring onto the shock absorber. Engage the securing tabs. Replace and tighten the top mounting nut. Install. Step 2. Installing the solenoid. Remove the old O-rings from the solenoid. Install the new O-rings onto the solenoid and lubricate. Install the solenoid to the air spring assembly, secure with retaining clips. Ensure the electrical connector faces away from the shock. Install. Step 3. Installing the air spring assembly. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reinstall the air spring assembly. Replace and tighten the top 3 mounting nuts. Reconnect the electrical connector to the air spring solenoid. Replace the air line to the air spring solenoid. It may be necessary to use a jack when replacing the bottom mounting bolt. Install. Step 4. Install wheel. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install. Step 5. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install. Step 6. Testing. Start the engine, wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially, lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. It is strongly recommended that after this install, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.